I got to ask this question. Can the administrator of my domain force me to use a specific search engine? Let's talk about what they can and can't do, and let's talk about how you can manage that. I'm managing my domain. It's a Google Workspace domain, and the name of it is teddyburris.com or burrisconsulting.com. And I have found nothing in here that allows me as the domain administrator to force anyone to use a specific search engine. So how does your search engine get chosen? Let's talk about that for a minute. So if I'm going to go to my testing account, and you can see I open up a brand new search window, boom, a new tab, and it goes to Google. So when I search for toilet, it's going to go to google.com and search for toilet. So how do I change that? It's really pretty easy. In Chrome, go to Preferences. Right over here is Search Engine. I can change it from Google to Bing to Yahoo to DuckDuckGo and to Ecosia. Go to Bing. If I choose that, then I close this and close this. When I open a new tab, it's going to open up in Bing. So when I look for toilets, it's going to open the search in bing.com. I have complete control over that. I can change it anytime I want. Go back to Preferences, go back to Search Engine. Instead of Bing, click and do Google. Close this, close this. Come on, I said close that. Hit the plus. Boom, and I'm in Google. Hey, let's go look at another browser. What if you're using Safari? So in Safari, it's the same way. You go to, let me show you how to get to it. You go to Safari, you go to Preferences. This is on a Mac. It'll be the same basic thing on a PC. Go to Search Engines and Google, Yahoo, Bing, DuckDuck, and Ecosia. So I can make a decision what I want right here just by going into that. And then when I open up a new tab, and I do a search for toilet, even though I spelt it wrong, it's searching in Bing. So if I close this down, I go back to Preferences, Safari Preferences, change it from Bing back to Google. And now the next time I do a search, I go to Google. Hey, let's do the same thing. Hang on a second. Let's go to Mozilla. The same thing in Mozilla. What I did in Mozilla is I clicked on FireFox and Preferences, and like there it is, search, and in search I had the ability to choose between Google, Amazon.com, that's interesting, Bing, DuckDuck, eBay, and Wikipedia. So I can choose any of those that I want. Interestingly, can I have a different version? Maybe not. So when if I choose to go to Bing, and I do a plus, and I search with Bing right there. I look for toilet. I'm in a Bing search. Close that down real quick. Not now. Go back here, switch it back to Google, open a new tab, and do a search for toilet. I'm in a Google search. Bottom line is what I'm trying to share with you right now is that on pretty much any device, you have the ability to change your search engine in the device. Your domain administrator does not have the ability to make that change for you. Furthermore, if you're simply using Gmail, there is no domain administrator. You still have the same functionality to change your search engine in whatever browser that you are using. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.